Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to fix single click to open an item is grayed out in folder options of Windows 11. For instance, when I open folder options in my Windows 11 PC, I see here this one single click to open an item is grayed out in my Windows 11 PC. To fix this issue, all you need to click on this one start button, then type here regedit. In the search results, click on this one registry editor to open it on your PC. In case Windows prompts, click yes. Then you need to copy and paste this one path from this one video description and then press enter on the keyboard. It will take you up to Explorer key in the left sidebar. On the right you will find classic cell dword. Double click on this one and set its value, change its value from 1 to 0 and then click OK. Otherwise, just right click on this one classic cell option and select delete option and press yes when prompted. Close the register. Again open folder options on your Windows 11 PC, and in case it does not, so just restart your PC once and this one grayed out option will be normal. I mean you will able to click here. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.